In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to stop kids downloading games from Play Store in Samsung Galaxy device. Open the Play Store app in your kid's phone and tap on your profile photo, tap on settings, tap on family, tap on parental controls. And first of all, we have to turn on parental controls. Create a PIN for parental control. Retype the PIN. And now tap on apps and games. Here you have to select only rated for 3+ and tap on save. And now on, whenever your kids open your Play Store and if they search for any game, for example PUBG, they won't be able to download any game from Play Store. As you can see, PUBG is not showing. So that's how you can actually stop kids from downloading games from Play Store. Thank you.